welcome to Chloe Adventures. Today we're doing orange juice and it's so fun. To make orange juice we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges and a cup and a blender. Well, let's get started. So now we're going to cut all these oranges. And they're a little wobbly.
So we'll cut them like this, okay? There's one.
Now my daddy cut them, and now I need to peel them. How? I'm peeling this off. And it's so tricky. And now I'm putting it in here. Blotch. My daddy is going to cut this because it's too hard for me. So he's going to cut them in little tiny pieces. Now we're going to peel these and see you in 2 seconds. There. That's the peeling done. And now here's the bit. Now I'm going to put them in. One at a time. Bloop, bloop. And now we're done with that. So now we're gonna put this in. So I put all the oranges in here that you can see a little bit. So I put the glass under right here. Now I'm gonna much. Let just run. Cheers. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to make orange juice, and then you can get one of these oranges and help your dad to peel. Bye.